I recorded this I recorded this live stream yesterday from Wouter Cordowener, or how you say his name, Wouter Cordowener. I record this live stream. Every time at first I ask him to speak Arabic, then he just say few sentences that he have memorized. He just memorized few sentences in every language, and he memorized few sentences in Arabic. Then he just say this few sentences. After I write something to him in Arabic and ask him a question in Arabic, then he did not answer. Then I tell him, okay, read the question, answer me in Arabic. He just ignore my message. He will just answer other people in the live stream. And after I also keep asking him, okay, so you only know, I ask many times, you only know 3 or 4 or 5 sentences in every language. You don't really know the language. Then he just ignore. He don't answer me. And then some of the people they're working with him, they just every time there are 2 or 3 guys, they keep asking questions, the same 2 or 3 guys, and I figured out that they're working with him. They are together with him. They keep asking him questions about things that he know. If they know he is a little bit strong in German, they will ask him some questions in German or Italian or Spanish. They know the 3 or 4 or 5 language he is strong at, or that he know a little. Then they keep asking him question in this 3 or 4 or 5 language, like these 2 or 3 guys, this PF UK and the other one, I cannot remember his name. These 2 guys, they keep asking him questions all the time. It's like they're controlling the live stream, keep asking him this question. So it's like they already plan what they will ask him. They plan it together. So all the time they keep asking him something, he answered them. Then they ask him something, he answered them. Sometimes he also answer other people, but mostly these 2 people are the same 2 who keep asking questions. Then he keep making conversation with the 2 same people. And then I think they're also admin or something. There are also 2 other guy. They every time I keep asking him many times, like I tell him you don't know 28 or 30 language. You only know like maybe 2, 3 language, maybe maximum 4 or 5, maybe 6 language. You know them a little, like not every language. You don't know all this language. Like you don't know 28 or 30 language. Then after I ask many times, he don't want to answer my question. He don't even read my message. Then he keep drinking water every time because he became so nervous, or he keep drinking water and coffee like that. He become very afraid every time I keep asking him about he cannot speak language. Then he don't read my question and just drink some water. And then and then there's 2 admins or 3 admins. They give me some time out or something for half minute, 1 minute time out. Later they gave me total time out that I cannot write any message. And then they also write bad words to me. They insult me. They write bad words because I'm telling the truth. They don't want me to tell the truth, that he don't know all this language. He just memorize 2, 3, 4, 5 sentences in every language. Maybe some language he know 10 sentences and that's it. But he don't know all this language. Only he know few language, like 3 or 4 or 5 language he know. And I think only 1 or 2 language is fluent like that. And then the other 3 or 4 language he is okay at them. And then the rest he don't know. He just fooling people. And then after, when the chat, like I before the live stream finished, I closed the recording because it was almost 2 hours. Then I closed the recording. Then I look before I close, I look my messages in the live chat. Then I see it's all deleted. If you look now in the live chat, you'll see it's all deleted. They keep deleting all my messages because they don't want people to go in. And if I think the live chat is still available after that, you can go and look in the live chat, but then they'll not see my questions where I keep telling that speak Arabic, or you don't know how to speak Arabic, or Danish or Swedish and the other language. And then I tell him you don't know all this language, and you only know few sentences. Then they delete all my message because they don't want people to go in after and read this. They don't want people to know the truth, that he don't know all this language. I'll play the live stream now. You can see in the live stream he is very nervous, keep drinking water and coffee, and then you can also see when I ask him something, he is not responding. And if you understand Arabic or Danish or Swedish, Norwegian, then you will see when I text him, and you see other people also, when they text him, he don't know the language. Most of the language he don't know. He just memorize few sentences. He would just memorize 5 sentences or 10 sentences in Arabic, same in Danish, Swedish, maybe he's a little bit strong in German, like that, but many of the language he don't really know them. He just fooling people. Most of the polyglot YouTubers are like this. They don't know the language, they're just fooling people. All these polyglot YouTubers, they say like they know 6 language, 8 language, 10, 12, 13, 15, 20, 30 language. They know many language. They don't know this language. They're just lying. They know few sentence, or they just memorize few sentence, and then they talk every language half minute, 1 minute, 2 minutes, like that. They cannot talk longer time every language. You will see now in the live stream. I will put now in the live stream. You will watch. I think I'll put it in this video, or next video you'll see the live stream. I'll put it together maybe with this one. He is lying to everyone, and they are scammers. They want people to believe them. That's why they delete my messages, and they don't want me to talk. They don't want me to talk they don't want me to keep asking more questions, because I busted him. I showed that he is a liar. And if there was like this, like a live stream where I can talk to him, then I will make it even more clear that he don't understand this language.